Hi guys, in this video we're gonna solve this quadratic equation by completing the square method. Alright, let's start. Here we have 2x squared plus 8x minus 10 equals 0. What is the first step? You should only have x variable on the left hand side, no constant. So let's remove it. So we will add 10 on both sides. Alright, so this and this gets cancelled, so you're left with 2x squared plus 8x is equal to 10. Right? Okay, the next step, what we should see here is the leading coefficient should be 1, and here it is 2, not 1. So what do? We divide it by 2. Now you should divide all the terms by 2, not one term, all the terms. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, and here 8 divided by 2 is 4. So let's write it down here. X squared plus 8 divided by 2 is 4x, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. Right? Till here you understood. Okay, the next thing what we have to do is look at the coefficient of x. So what is the coefficient of x? 4. Just disregard this sign, only look at this coefficient 4, and I'm gonna write it down somewhere here. Okay, 4. Now you have to take half of this number. Taking half of this number means multiplying it by half, 1 over 2, multiplying it by 1 over 2. So 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now what do we do next is we square this number. Okay, we take the square of this number, 2 squared. And now what do we do here? See, you have x squared plus 4x is equal to 5. I'm going to write this down. X squared plus 4x, and here we have 5. I'm going to add this number, whatever number we got, 4 divided by 2, and then we squared it. I'm going to take the square number and add it on both sides here. 2 squared, and here also 2 squared. So next what do? Let's solve it further. So here we have x squared plus 4x plus 2 squared. Now what do you see here? A squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So it is in a form of a complete square. The left hand side is a complete square of something. So what is that? X, and here the sign is positive, so I'm going to take positive sign, and your b squared is 2. B is 2. So it's a whole square, right? Complete square of x plus 2. X plus 2 the whole square is equal to, we have 5 plus 2 square is 4. Now this, again we'll write this, x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 5 plus 4 is 9. Now what you have to do is you have to get rid of this square. So to get rid of this square, you need to take the square root on both sides, plus or minus square root of 9. So here square and square root gets cancelled. So here you are left with x plus 2 is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. Right? Okay, now you need to isolate x. Okay, to isolate x, I need to remove this 2. So I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. So what am I left with? X is equal to plus or minus 3 minus 2. So I'm going to have two solutions. Okay, one is x is equal to plus 3 minus 2. And another one is x is equal to minus 3 minus 2. Okay, so the first solution is x is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1. Okay, this is your first solution. And the second solution is x is equal to minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So you have two solutions. If you want to write it differently, you can write it like this. Thus our solution set, whatever solutions you got, our solution set is, you can write it as 1 comma minus 5. So that's your answer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.